Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss one important notification, notification number 32. This is in relation to extension in filing GST returns through EVC and OTP. Okay, so wait, I've divided this topic into two parts. First, part one is what are the mode of filing GST return? And then I will explain you the part two, what is the update in this notification. See this, registered person other than body corporate, correct? They can file the GSTR 1 and 3B to two options. Kaise kaise? First, they can file to EVC OTP or they can file through digital signature certificate. ये दोनों से file कर सकते हैं. But what about the body corporate? What about LLP? They can upload the GSTR 1 and 3B only through digital signature certificate. Yes, sir. So body corporate, they did not have an option of EVC or OTP. Agreed, you all must be aware about this. Now, during COVID, during lockdown, during this pandemic, many employees, professionals, they are not able to travel to office. Am I right? Now, how to take the digital sign? How to upload the GST 3B return? Is it possible? No, it was not possible. Am I right? So many body corporate LLP, they were not able to file GSTR 1 and 3B on time. And because of that, they were subjected to interest and late fees. ये बहुत बुरी चीज थी. So interest late fee लग जाता था. And because of the problem of digital signature. Now to avoid this issue, government came with an important update. What was the update? All the taxpayers who are registered in the Companies Act 13, now they also had an option that they can file their returns through OTP EVC. So body corporate, वो लोग भी फाइल कर सकते थे GST returns through OTP. ये digital signature was not compulsory, but this was restricted. ये कुछ ही time के लिए था. What was the time? Only up to 31st of August 2020. After that, again, these people were required to sign only through digital sign. तो यहाँ तक का benefit था. Now August is gone. We are in the month of September. Now what about it? Many registered persons, even today, you all are aware, third wave is around the corner, right? So they are still not going to office. They are still unable to file their return through digital sign. What is the solution? COVID, pandemic, everything is sitting on our head. So what is the solution? August to khatam ho gaya. That's why government came with an important notification, notification number 32/21. What is this notification? It has given an extension. So now the body corporate, the taxpayers who are registered under Companies Act, they can file their GST returns through OTP, not only up to August, but now up to 31st of October 2021. So the benefit of 2 months is extended. So this was an important update. So all the companies, body corporate, LLP, they can still file their returns through OTP. You should take advantage of this situation. Correct? So thank you so much, each and everyone. Please stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned for more such updates. Thank you. Goodbye.